Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Overnight this morning, we did have some minor snow accumulations in the Cascades and Basin, and this is all that's left over that right now. It's mainly just rain at this point, just some light showers flowing from north to south in the Klamath Basin, in the Great Basin, and in the far eastern sliver of Siskiyou County. For tonight, we're going to be getting pretty cold. We have frost advisories in effect for eastern Curry, Josephine, and Jackson County, also for western Siskiyou County. The lows could get all the way down into the 20s and 30s, and all it takes is for low temperatures to get below 33 degrees. That will trigger frost formation, so be sure you are protecting sensitive vegetation and also bringing in those pets, and this lasts from 1 in the morning to 9 in the morning tomorrow morning. Also, we have freeze warnings in effect for eastern Curry, Josephine, and Jackson counties, and also it includes a bigger slice of Siskiyou County. It includes the Shasta Valley and south central Siskiyou County. Once again, lows could get down into the 20s and 30s, so take all those proper precautions to prevent any harmful impacts from major frost and freezes. So for tonight, if you thought that the 20s and 30s were cold in the west side valleys, you have another thing coming, because look at these low temperatures in the basin. 16 degrees in Klamath Falls, 21 degrees in Lakeview. And what's going to make it feel even colder are the windy conditions. We're already seeing winds gust up to 35 miles per hour in Siskiyou County and in the basin. That will continue as we head into the overnight hours. For tomorrow, we're drying out, but we're not really warming up. We're still going to be in the 50s and 60s in our west side valleys and along the coast. And we're going to have a hard time making it out of the 40s on the east side. Look at that, 41 degrees in Crater Lake. And we do have a storm system that's going to approach later in the day. That will bring a slight chance for showers along the coast, and an even better chance for showers, a more widespread chance for showers as we head into the overnight hours. So this is Stormcast. It's showing you those showers beginning to make it their way on shore as we head into the afternoon hours, and then the more intense band of rain will start to arrive by the time we get into the evening, and it'll be very widespread by the time we get into the overnight hours. Look at this, 1:15 in the morning, right on top of Medford and the Rogue Valley, and some snow beginning to mix in once again in the Cascades and into the basin. Most of this should fizzle out by the time we get into the late morning on Wednesday. We are expecting some more robust accumulations tomorrow, around 2 inches along the coastal ranges, along the coast, maybe 1/10 of an inch, and then less than 1/4 of an inch inland. It's still not very impressive, but it's more impressive than what we saw on Sunday. So snow levels, they're going to drop down to 4,000 feet. So once again, we could see some snow, and we could see similar snow accumulations to what we saw last night. The peaks could get up to 3 inches, and the lower elevations will see just a mere dusting. So here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. Showers will roll in later in the day. They'll be left over on Monday, and then we have another round of showers expected for the weekend, especially as we head into Sunday in Northern California. Don't let that icon fool you. Most of the day is going to be dry. The rain's going to move in as we head into the later parts of the day, just a leftover chance for showers as we head into Wednesday. But don't forget, we have freeze warnings and frost advisories in effect for Siskiyou County, Jackson, Josephine, and Curry County. But the coldest weather is going to be reserved for the Klamath Basin, where we're going to see those showers roll in later in the day. That'll transition into snow, and it'll be left over as we head into Wednesday. In the Cascades, we're also expecting that snow chance. And you just saw we could have some similar accumulations up to 3 inches along the peaks. And then in the Rogue Valley tomorrow, just a cold rain later in the day. Some lingering showers on Wednesday. We finally dry out and warm up on Thursday.